Just leaving my hotel, which is called Trek Lodge or Holiday Home. You can come and stay here. I got that room for 800 bucks. I bargained from 1000. Right now I'm headed to the bus stand. It's currently 7:30. If you guys have been following the vlog, I've been trying to get to Chitkul, and yesterday I didn't get the last bus out, so I had to stay in Sangla. I think it's just not my time. So the bus that was going to come to take me to Chitkul has not arrived and will not be arriving because there has been a landslide on the way. So I am stranded here apparently. I don't know if you can see that tempo traveler behind me. That is what will be taking me to Chitkul, but 3 hours from now. So because there's been a landslide on the way, no buses are coming, so the HRTC have organized this private taxi that costs a little bit more to take us to Chitkul. So this is what will be taking us to Chitkul. After 3 hours of waiting, we stuffed ourselves into the HRTC Tempo Traveler and were finally on our way. The Tempo Traveler cost us 59 rupees, while the bus to Sangla would have cost us 40 rupees. The road is about 24 kilometers and takes 2 hours through the beautiful terrain. There is also an ITBP checkpost on the way before you reach the beautiful hamlet of Chitkul. So guys, after 19 hours of almost trying, I have reached Chitkul. Now you can call this my stubbornness or anything, but मेरे को यहाँ पे आना ही था for the simple reason. This is called the last village of India. जी हाँ, if you go few kilometers that side, that is Tibet, which is अभी occupied by China. But ये हिंदुस्तान का आखिरी village है, and that was the sole reason कि कुछ भी हो जाए, I would spend 20 hours, 25 hours, but I really wanted to come here, and it is nothing less than beautiful. Just checked into my guest house, homestay actually, which is right behind me. It's called Raj Homestay, run by this family itself. I got a single room. The cost is only 400 bucks. Now, you know, there was hostel, there's a lot of other places, but the reason I wanted to stay at a homestay is that really helps the locals out, because this is one of their biggest sources of income in these small villages. So it's much better that you add to them, then you give it to a big hotel chain or something like that. I'm not saying don't stay there, you can. It is a matter of personal choice. I felt it's better to give back. And look at this guy who's staring at me while I'm vlogging. But I would say stay with them. You'll get a nice homely local feel. You'll get to taste their food. So guys, I just thought I'll show you what my room looks like, what you can get for 400 bucks in Chitkul. And this is the whole thing. Yes guys, this single bed, place for me, and a mind-blowing view. All this, like I said, 400 bucks. I was quite shocked when he quoted me the price. So this is my home for today.